Ms. Ervin was brought into court, and the judge heard probable cause on her case, as well as her boyfriend who was charged in this case. Judge found probable cause on both cases. On his case, he was not provided a bond. He will be held in jail without bond. On her case, her total amount is $175,000 bond.
And some of that probably, did you guys ask for a lowering of the bond?
Correct. As Ms. Ervin's attorney, I requested that her bond be lowered and that she has had no other criminal convictions or arrests previous to this situation, and have reason to believe that she would do well on bond, and awaiting the next steps in this case.
What happens next? Is there a trial date set yet? Or?
So no, it's early for a trial date at this time. There's still information to be imparted to me as far as what evidence there is that she did commit any of this, right? So far, we've just heard probable cause, which is what he said happened. We have yet to understand or know from her perspective what has occurred in this case. So I expect that we will be learning a lot more about this in the future.
Can you share about what she claims?
Certainly I cannot, right? I am looking forward to more accurate information in the future. But right now, we'll just have to wait since he has now pointed the finger at her.
And so what was in that probable cause, that was him who, I guess, has talked to investigators?
So I know what you know right now, which was probable cause. So in probable cause, they indicated that he spoke with the investigators and blamed her.
Gotcha, okay. And just, it was hard to hear the prosecutor on there. He was saying something about, was it a trash bag or a trash can that Thompson was caught on surveillance video carrying?
Right. In probable cause in open court, the prosecutor indicated there was a trash can that Mr. Thompson was seen carrying.
Okay. And then the other thing I couldn't hear, they said that the child allegedly was beaten the night before the blunt object. Was that allegedly that Miss Ervin did it, or Mr. Thompson?
And certainly we're all looking forward to getting information about the child, right? So far, there has not been an official autopsy report to indicate what actually occurred to her. The prosecutor indicated there were marks on the child's body. Now, as to what happened, I don't think we actually know at this time.
Okay. But did they say that, I guess was it him that they were saying? Or?
Mr. Thompson indicated from the probable cause that Ms. Ervin was responsible.
You deny those allegations?
I believe that a more accurate information is going to be coming forward, but I cannot provide that at this time.
In light of the probable cause, what happened to what's said in the probable cause?
I can tell you in open court that the prosecutor indicated that Mr. Thompson's, from his mouth, he blamed Ms. Ervin for this situation.
Anything else that you would like to mention about y'all's case going forward and I guess y'all's approach to this?
As you can imagine, from any mother's point of view, the loss of her child is indescribable, right? So we are going to do what we can to make sure that Ms. Ervin stays well during this period of time.
And she was given a $175,000 bond?
In total, yes.
Was it $75,000 on?
There are two charges that she's been charged with. One is tampering and one is injury. So $100,000 on the injury and $75,000 on the tampering.
What would you like people to know out there? A lot of people, this is a big case that's gotten a lot of attention. A lot of people are angry, which is why we saw extra security in there. What would you like people to know about this case? And I guess, what would you say to them?
I say this is a very sad case and will continue to be a sad case. And you know, hold your kids tight, you know. Their kids are beautiful and they are breakable.
Sounds good.